EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for October 11th, 2021. It is Monday, and Monday's video forecast is sponsored by Kinsley's Family Market. Kinsley's is the world's largest ShopRite, and the ShopRite logo means that they are all about food, they're all about savings, and they're all about you. I'm wearing one of three hats that they sent me for the videos. This particular day, I'm wearing the bakery hat. This is the same hat they wear in the bakery, so thank you for sending me those hats. So last week I had their regular black hat, and there was also a third that I'm going to use at some point in time. They actually said that maybe you could use this during snow events. I probably will be doing that once we start getting snow. We're pretty far away from that, but I just wanted to showcase the bakery hat for now. They have deliveries 7 days a week of the freshest produce, seafoods, and meats, and they handle 16 local wineries. They have beer and their own in-house smoked meats department, their own pharmacy, and the largest shop-from-home department in the area. They are Kinsley ShopRite, located at 107 Kinsley's Drive in Broadheadsville, Monroe County, Pennsylvania, and are proud sponsors of the Monday Daily Forecast video. So today we have a little bit of a change. We had a very crappy weekend, okay, and that was well advertised. I told you that in the last video that we did, the last couple of videos I did prior to the weekend. This weekend was not going to be that great. It's going to be kind of raw, damp, a little chilly, not cold, but chilly, and some drizzle, some mist, some light showers here and there. So we did have that. Yesterday was kind of like that in a few spots, especially our eastern and southeastern areas. Today, however, we're not expecting precipitation. We're going to start off kind of murky in the morning, though. So next couple days are going to be almost carbon copies of each other in terms of starting off mostly cloudy, and then you're going to have those clouds erode from north to south across the region. So this is the clouds this weekend were in association with that onshore flow that we had with high pressure in the Gulf of Maine. We had this low pressure offshore yesterday, giving us even more low clouds and some drizzle, some mist, some fog. That is going to start sliding very slowly east today. So it is going to be a little bit further east than it was earlier. It's going to very slowly move east today. So this is by the end of the day, and we're going to have improving conditions across the region. Here is the high-res simulated satellite from the 3-kilometer NAM. Now, this is starting off in the morning at 8 o'clock. You see mostly cloudy skies across the region. Watch what happens as we move throughout the morning and afternoon. Here's noon, starting to get some breaks up here in the northern areas, and that's going to very slowly press off to the south, but it's going to take some time in our southern areas to get going, and it might not be toward as we get toward evening, as you start to see some breaks in those clouds. And far south areas closest to that low pressure and across southern New Jersey and Delaware might not see the sun at all today. So areas in the interior, you can see that you will have some clearing here today. And then overnight, you get it clouds up again. You get mostly cloudy skies, and you start off Tuesday the same way. Mostly cloudy, but then throughout the day, here you see that as clouds erode. Okay, and we have partly sunny skies coming back into the picture in the afternoon hours. So starting off murky the next couple of days. This is kind of typical of what you would expect in fall. And I say that to people a lot because they're always complaining in the fall about, well, what's with all the clouds? You get a lot of cloud cover in fall. It's just the seasonal transition. That's part of what happens, okay? Early spring is kind of like that too, all right? You're getting these changes in temperatures, and you have that temperature clash. You get these mostly cloudy stretches here where you don't have the clear blue skies to deal with. Now, you will have that eventually. And once we get to Wednesday, I think you're getting to partly cloudy skies Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The big thing this week, though, is you're going to have some above normal temperatures. Next couple of days are just slightly above. Once we get to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're going to be above normal temperatures with temperatures that are going to be in the 75 to 80 degree range for several of those days. So here's the next two, 71 to 74, 72 to 75 tomorrow. Pretty much the same idea. Once you get to Wednesday, you're 75 or better in most places, okay? So it's going to be pretty warm, and especially on Friday, when many areas are going to be challenging the 80 degree mark, especially down here at the Delmarva, we're going for a high of 82 degrees in Philadelphia here on Friday. So that's obviously very late in the season to have 80s anything, okay? Not supposed to be that warm at this time of year, but it does have a time limit, okay? Once we get past this, and it's dry this entire time, this is going all the way to Friday. All right, here's Friday here. We have this cold front that's off to our west that's going to come through on Saturday. That cold front is going to give you one more mild day here on Saturday. Probably not quite as warm as Friday because of the timing of the front. You're going to have some clouds out in front of it. They're going to limit it. Then you have these scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms moving through later in the day here on Saturday and Saturday evening. And once this front clears, you have a trough settling in behind us for Sunday. So Sunday's going to be a spectacular day. Back down to autumn-like temperatures, near average for this time of year. once we get to Sunday and beyond, going into next week, I really think you're going to like that period next week if you're a fan of autumn. We're going to get back and start playing the part of autumn anyway, where temperatures are in the 60s, overnight lows are much more crisp, and they're going to be in the lower to middle 40s, maybe some 30s in the outlying areas. So you're going to get back into that again, it looks like, once we hit Sunday and beyond going into next week. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for October 11th, 2021. Have a great Monday.